At number 1, we have the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. This premium dual-channel dash cam stands out as one of Amazon's top bestsellers with over 11,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. It delivers crisp 4K front and FHD rear recording using advanced STARVIS 2 sensors for superior low-light performance. Ideal for those wanting top-tier night vision and quick evidence retrieval, its footage is crystal clear in all conditions. The 5G Wi-Fi enables fast downloads up to 20 Mbps via the intuitive app, while the built-in GPS accurately logs speed and location. Users love the seamless 24H parking mode, which protects your vehicle even when you're away. Plus, it comes with everything you need to get started, including a 128GB card and everything for easy DIY installation. Its reliable build and feature-packed design make it a favorite for daily drivers and road trippers seeking high-end protection without complexity. At number 2, we have the REDTIGER F&Touch Dash Cam, a best-selling touchscreen model with thousands of positive reviews. This 4K dual dash cam excels with its 3.18-inch touchscreen and record-sharp 4K front plus 1080p rear with wide angles. Thanks to its advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, it captures outstanding night vision, with clear license plate capture even in challenging conditions. Control it with simple voice commands or the intuitive touchscreen interface. It's hands-free and hassle-free. Share your footage instantly with fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6. Download a 1-minute video in just 8 seconds. Plus, get peace of mind with 24-hour parking mode, which offers 48 hours of non-stop recording and collision detection. Built with a supercapacitor, it's reliable and long-lasting even in extreme temperatures from blazing heat to freezing cold. This higher-end option provides premium features and strong build quality for long-term reliability. It's the all-in-one solution for your peace of mind.
At number 3, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. This premium, expert-recommended dual-channel dash cam earns high praise for its dual STARVIS 2 sensors. It delivers stunning 4K front plus 2K rear with HDR for perfectly balanced exposure, capturing every detail, even in challenging light. Features include convenient voice control for hands-free operation, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast video transfers to your phone. Precise GPS logs your exact location and speed, while excellent night vision captures clear footage around the clock. Plus, robust 24-hour parking mode protects your vehicle even when you're away. With strong ratings and positive feedback on video clarity, it's perfect for users wanting professional-grade footage. The supercapacitor design ensures durability in extreme temperatures, making the A229 Pro a high-value investment for serious drivers.
At number 4, we have the VIOFO A229 4K Dash Cam. This top-tier flagship offers ultra-smooth 4K 60fps front and 2K rear recording with advanced STARVIS 2 sensors and full HDR for exceptional detail, day or night. The result, drastically less noise and motion blur. Perfect for capturing crucial details in any lighting condition. Sharing that footage is a breeze with Wi-Fi 6. A 1-minute 4K video can be downloaded in under 10 seconds, and with support for massive storage up to 4 TB, you can record for days on end without worrying about running out of space. Plus, with low-power parking mode, your vehicle is protected 24/7. This premium option is perfect for those prioritizing the absolute best video performance and future-proofing, the VIOFO A229. At number 5, we have the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front Rear. This highly popular dual dash cam boasts a massive review volume and strong sales. It features STARVIS 2 sensors for stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording, with a 170 degrees wide angle to capture every detail. And with super night vision, you'll see clearly even in the darkest conditions, a feature customers absolutely love. Setup is a breeze with the included suction cup mount and free 128GB memory card, making it accessible yet premium in performance. Share footage instantly with fast Wi-Fi 6, or track your exact route and speed with built-in GPS. Plus, 24-hour parking mode protects your vehicle around the clock. automatically saving critical footage for insurance claims. Solid best-selling choice with a proven track record. The REDTIGER 4K Cam is the ultimate guardian for your ride.